So they say men will stain your white and women will tear your suit. So on another aproko, a woman caught her own husband red-handed where he's taking one girl out inside hotel, and she decided to fight the husband and the girl. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to VVI Channel 1 Plus and your girl Bella. And another aproko, they are now calling me aproko. Well, that's what I do, aproko. This woman Jidedi red-handed will be the way no bog. So people are saying a lot of things. Watch this video and see for yourself what happened inside that place.
Wait now. Take it easy now. Something is going on here, guys.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Auntie, wait here. Auntie, take it easy now. Wait now. Take it easy now. Calm down. Calm down, okay? Take it easy, go. No, take it easy with them. Manager, any shoe, manager, map. Take it easy with them. Take a easy with her. Hear me, brother. Just easy. Take a easy with her, okay? Sorry, brother. How are you going to do now? Let me give you back. Brother, right, Abby. You know, just take a easy, okay? Maybe is your friend or is your boyfriend? Sorry. Man, take your easy. Oh boy. I want my eyes to do that. Guys, woman on my light first. As a woman, no be everywhere. Not supposed to embarrass my husband. I swear with my living God. Yeah, I know.
So first of all, like, Oga, swear with your life. Don't be swearing with the name of the living God. Number one. Number two. So people are saying, then I say that now, why is this woman disrespecting the husband in public place, and why is she fighting the girl and the why is it cool that men now these days, after having your wife, you now have a side chick and have somebody why people have now normalizing Zuzu? Why are you people normalizing this thing now? They're not saying that again most times these people that we have side chick, they have not finished the paying school fees or rent and all those things, because honestly, family takes a lot. It takes a lot to have a family, because a guy man, you pay rent, feeding, entertainment, small all these expenses, fuel, generator in Nigeria because awkward, and still have time for side chick. Most times, when you tell this guy bring money for something, he will not want to bring money. Number two, the girl. Don't you know that this guy, even the truth is that in Nigeria, single girls I send their score whether the guy is married or not, because to them they need money. And the painful thing is that that these girls, they don't like you. What they are after is your money. And the girls on the other part, the guys, what they want from you is nothing but your opwe. If you don't know, let me tell you the truth. They want your opwe. So the girls are now saying that since the guy is going straight for, so the girls are now saying that since the guy is heading straight for the opwe, them too are heading straight to the money. So you see that these things will not stop anytime soon. The married man will have a side chick and side everything. The married women will have their own. And people, they will now be disrespecting each other publicly. Embarrassed. Is it better for this woman to see the husband cheating and now say, okay, Jesus is Lord, and now go straight to the house? Or what? So Oga that is cheating, is it good that you carry your STD and now go to the house and give to why no long way? That is how this disease is spreading. That is how Nigeria have turned like this. Because if you love your family, you can't be disgracing your wife and your children like this. So you want this woman, if he catch you with one girl inside bed, or catch you, she'll not do a sign of the cross that Jesus is Lord. Okay, thank you, bye bye. That is what some people want this woman to do. However you feel, put it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, they finish. I'm your girl Aproko.